Hello guys, my name is BissQT and welcome back to the channel, and we are back with some what do I find on the internet I want to check out. Seems interesting, would like to have someone to check out with. I don't want to be alone. So today we're going to be doing something kind of like in combination with BissFlix, because BissFlix is my other YouTube channel where I react to movies. So today we're going to be reacting to Seagulls Stop It Now, a bad lib reading of The Empire Strikes Back. I did react to The Empire Strikes Back, so I'm excited to see what the Seagulls are going to be doing to this. I have a peculiar sense of humor, and I'm a very curious person. So in general, we're going to be doing a tiny bit of everything on reaction on this channel. Everything that we find interesting on the internet, funny, educational, or even like sports related content, because I'm a big fan of sports in general. So with a little intro being said and done, the only thing remaining is to ask you to don't forget to leave a comment and a like for the algorithm. And of course, if this is the very first time you get to meet me, subscribe to the channel. It's free and it does help. Now, let's put this on. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's see. Bad Lib Reading presents.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
Nothing a little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
No, Yoda, no.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did, and they did, had me going like,
These are so creative, I can't. I don't know how much fun it is for everybody, but I can tell you I'm very impressed by the creativity behind this. I think there are so many stuff like this on the internet where you basically hear something that either it does not happen or can be very easily interpreted. I have seen there is actually like a few channels that do like lib reading of celebrities on the red carpet or at Oscars or something like that, and that's a very interesting thing to see. But this is definitely new take on creativity. I like it, especially seeing Yoda do this.
But yeah, when these birds attacked me, when I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Run, run, jump, and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Oh, I think it's cool.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now.
Okay, this is gonna be in my head today, the whole day, 100%.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Fall asleep. Stop it now.
Like I said, gonna be living rent-free in my head. There is no one saving me of this today. There is no one saving me of this today. So this is actually bad lip reading. This is the original channel. You'll have the link on the original video in the description below. I hope they're okay with us posting this reaction. If they're not, well, I'm sorry. I'm gonna just continue listening to this banger in my head. They're a big chunky channel, and this video is super viewed. If you guys have any other recommendation based on the same, I would love to listen to it. I would like to see the creativity. I am not the most creative person out there. I admit I don't have that pouring out of me, but I definitely do appreciate it when someone else does. And in this case, 100%. They made a whole song that makes sense, has a storyline behind it with characters that didn't say anything like this. And not only that, but they make it very, very, very catchy. So if you just saw this video for the very first time, thanks to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to it, because I'm trying to post a tiny bit of everything here. But if you knew this before and you think you have similar videos or even better than this, let me know in the comment section below and I shall check them. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you next time. Bye.